Hello, my name is Ed Froley, and I am the owner of We Buy Houses in Western Mass. Our website is webuyhousesinwesternmass.com. I wanted to take a moment and go over a little bit of my experience with Gerald and his team working on SEO and credibility. The entire process of working with Gerald's team is an easy step by step process. It goes over how to become the most credible real estate investing business in your market, from building your website and climbing the ranks in SEO. In just a few short months, I was able to rank number one on certain keywords, which has allowed me to gain organic leads without spending a dollar on marketing. I would highly recommend working with Gerald and his team for SEO and credibility for your real estate investing business.